bones, and that means terminal, that means toast. And I didn't really know what to do, and I was fortunate that my son, he says, Dad, try looking at pH. Sometimes when you change the pH of your body, things happen. And so what I did, I made up a baking soda molasses water solution. And I'm going to show you how I did that. Right now I'm doing, this is over 2 years later, I'm still alive, and I'm doing, on the website, www.phkillscancer.com, I'm doing more or less a tune-up of alkalining my body. So this is the baking soda. I'm right now at the stage of putting 2 teaspoons in. So here's 1 teaspoon, and that's 2 teaspoons. I'm going to add a teaspoon of molasses. Now that's a teaspoon of molasses. This is a soft science, and I'm going to put in about a cup of water. All right? I'm going to stir it. Now this is what I did during my whole protocol that you'll see on the website. And then I would drink this. You see it going all over the floor, Mark? Mark's going to clean up when I get the... No, I'll clean up. What I would do, and then I would go ahead and drink that. What I'm doing now is the first part of the protocol that I'm doing now. I'm doing about 12 days of this protocol to raise my pH up to a certain level. I am going with Don's protocol, and you can see what his protocol is on the website also. Don used basically the protocol that I have on my website, and he adjusted it a little bit. What he did, he warmed the water up so that the baking soda dissolved in it first. I'll tell you, this worked for me. I'm very happy. Let's go ahead. I'm going to set this to the side right now, and then I'm going to do the baking soda in the pan and in the water. So first I'll put on Mr. Stove. I'll put in a cup of water that I'm going to use. Okay. Cup of water. 2 teaspoons of baking soda. You know, baking soda is really not that expensive, and I know it's a lot less expensive than what other people. You can see it there, Mark. Can you take a look how it's sitting there? Now watch how quick that dissolves. Now, I have gas at home. I'm using Mark's range right now. Can you see that mark in there? It's a little cloudy.
Yeah.
Okay. Pretty soon it'll be nice and clear. And actually what I've discovered is this goes down a lot easier than when I just used what I did over 2 years ago. But again, I'm very happy with this one. All right, that's pretty clear. Let's add that teaspoon of molasses. Looks good to me. We'll stir that up there. Looks like artwork, doesn't it? Now we can shut this stove off.